What should I do for this right turn?
First, use your signal and start to slow down. Look over your right shoulder for bicycles or motorcycles, and then move into the bike lane when it's clear. Scan to the left and right, then make your turn when it's safe. On left turns, signal, look over your left shoulder, and move into the left center turn lane first, if there is one. Then, make your turn when it's safe. If only one lane can turn left in your direction, you can choose any lane to end your turn in. If there are two or more designated turn lanes, then stay in the lane you started in. For right turns, stay in the lane you start in, whether there's one or more designated turn lanes.
Oops, I missed the turn.
Not a problem. Let's make a U-turn.
Okay. I'm never sure when that's legal.
There's a few do's and don'ts. Make sure you have good visibility to see traffic ahead of you. In residential areas or where signs are posted, you can make a U-turn anytime it's safe. Business districts and divided highways require you to be a little more selective. U-turns are okay in these areas as long as there's an intersection or a place to turn and no signs prohibit. In addition to places that are posted for no U-turns, it's also illegal to make a U-turn whenever you'd have to cross a curb, a strip of land, double lines, or when you're in front of a fire station.